Hi everyone and welcome back. I've got a couple of emails. People wanted to know how I cut my grass. Well, this is what I use. My zero turn made by Hustler, and it's a Raptor. It has a Kawasaki 23 horsepower engine. Great engine, by the way. Well, the only thing today is the battery died on me, so I've got it running to my house, and it's on a trickle charge, and it's being charged. There it is there. I've had it on now for about 4 hours. It's trickle charging, and by the looks of the trickle charger, looks like it's ready to crank over. So let's try it. I'm gonna have to stop here. I'll disconnect that and I'll try starting it. Okay, so there it is. I've disconnected that trickle charger. Flip the seat over. I'm gonna see if she starts. Okay, let's take a look. Nope, it doesn't. There must be something else wrong. Let's check it out. Everyone, this is my zero turn lawnmower, and when I go to start it, this is what I hear. Well, I'm going to show you guys how to fix that problem. Okay, so what it sounds like is that the starter. Okay, it's the starter. Sounds like it's the starter. We're just going to give it a quick whack. It's going to dislodge the solenoid and hopefully it'll start. Let's check it out.